Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python JSON. So let's see what is it. JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. Okay, so it will help you for storing and exchanging data that is available. And JSON is a text written with JavaScript object notation. Okay, so these are the few important points that I have mentioned here about the JSON. Okay, next thing we are going to study about JSON in Python. How is it working? How to build it? Okay, so Python has a built-in package called JSON, which can be used to work with the JSON data that is going to work. For that, how it is going to work? For that, first we should know it will just write import JSON. So import the JSON module. That is the first thing we need to work on. Okay. After that, parse JSON can be mentioned. That will help you to convert from the JSON to Python, because we are going to work in the Python. We have to first convert it into the Python. Okay, so that is how you can do it. On screen you can see that first I have import the JSON. After that, x is equal to name, age and city I have mentioned here. That is how you need to work it. Okay, after that you have to parse it to convert it into the Python form. So you have to write y is equal to JSON dot loads of x. That is how you will work on. So here on screen you can see that I have mentioned all the details here. Okay, let me just comment it out first. And the first thing I have mentioned is import JSON. Okay, after that I have mentioned the what all the things I need to mention there, that is the name, age and the city. Okay, after that I have mentioned y is equal to JSON dot load of x. It will help me to convert it into the Python. Okay, so I have to parse the x. After that I have to, the result is in Python dictionary, so I have to write it in this way. So on screen you can see that we got the result for the age because I was writing the age. Let me just change it here to the name. Then I got the name as a John. Okay. So these are the few details I have mentioned here. So I hope you understand. This is one of the example that I have mentioned. Let me just comment it out and we will just work on the next thing. Okay. So another things I have mentioned is the dumps. Fine. So how to work with that? Let me just remove all the things, comments. Second thing I have mentioned all the details. Yeah. And then I will just write json.dumps of x and then print y. Fine. These are the things I have mentioned here. Okay, let me run it. Yeah, so I got all the details. Why I'm writing dumps here? Dumps will provide you all the details that you have mentioned inside your X. Okay, so these are the term that is important in the JSON. That is how we need to write in the Python. So I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you.